Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nammane Recipes. Today we are going to show you how to prepare white sauce pasta. This recipe is my sister's recipe, so she's going to show you how to prepare today. And we have taken penne pasta here, so you can take any other pasta of any brand, not a problem. So and pasta can be of any shape or brand. So initially we are going to place a vessel full of water and salt little bit around half teaspoon, and then add pasta. So we are adding 3 cups of pasta here. Add water. Water can be added how much ever you want, so just that the pasta should sink in. Let's add half a teaspoon of oil to avoid pasta getting stuck to each other. So so keep stirring at times to avoid pasta getting stuck to each other. So the flame should be on the low medium side. So let the pasta start boiling. We'll have to boil the pasta for around 20 to 25 minutes till it becomes soft. So pasta is ready. After 25 minutes I've switched off the flame, and you can see the pasta. I've drained the water, so we'll use the water later. Now we have placed a pan and we're adding butter. So the flame should be on the low medium side. Remember this. So I'm adding 2 inches of butter, we can say. I've cut the 100 grams wala butter into 2 inches and then adding. So after the butter is added, let's add 1 or 2 teaspoon of maida flour. So the more you add butter, the taste is really great. So you can add any butter, whichever is available in the shop. So we are adding garlic butter. You can use any other normal butter as well. So so after adding butter, we are adding some more maida here. Just that the pasta sauce should get thick and nothing else. So after the maida is fried with butter, good aroma should come. So when you notice that good aroma, we'll have to add some milk. This we're adding approximately 2 cups of milk. After adding milk, keep stirring so that the sauce doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Slowly you can notice the texture getting thick. You can see. So now we'll add the strained stock of pasta and we're going to stir. Then add corn. I'm adding 1 big corn. 10 to 15 green chilies. More the green chilies, more the taste. Meanwhile, let's place one more pan parallelly. So the flame should be on the low side. Add approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and then fry the mushrooms. So we have taken one packet of mushroom, which is of 30 rupees or 50 rupees. So which is easily available in the vegetable shops. So I've roughly chopped the mushroom, and I'm frying it by adding little salt. So let the mushroom raw smell go. Till then you'll have to fry and then switch off the flame. Meanwhile, we'll stir the sauce. So you can notice the water releasing from the mushroom. Let the water go completely. Meanwhile, we'll add some pepper to the pasta sauce. Approximately 1 teaspoon of pepper we're adding. So if you want some more, you can add it, not a problem. Let's add salt. So on the taste, you can increase or decrease later. Adding capsicum, green capsicum, 1 big green capsicum, 1 big yellow capsicum, red capsicum. We have roughly chopped it and adding. So mix this so that the veggies get properly boiled. Now let's add mushroom. So after adding mushroom, let's again stir this. So you can notice the pasta sauce is getting boiled with the veggies. If you find the salt is less, or if you find the spiciness is less, you can add some more green chilies or salt or pepper, whatever is required. It's totally upon your choice. Let's add oregano, half teaspoon, and then chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Now let's add pasta when the veggies are half cooked. Now let's add drained pasta and stir it so that the veggies get combined with the pasta. The flame should be on the low medium flame. Remember this. To make the white sauce pasta more colorful and tasty, add more butter and broccoli also. So it tastes really great. Now let's add a little bit of cheese, which is optional. You can add for the taste and stir it again. Cook it for 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. So white sauce pasta is ready. Let's serve it in a bowl. So you can see the pasta here. It's totally ready. So I'm having this with some yellow capsicum. It tastes really great. So if you want to enhance this, as I told, you can add more butter to get that creamy texture in your white sauce pasta. So you can add some more veggies, as I told, like broccoli or any other vegetable of your choice. I personally don't like pasta and all. So when white sauce pasta is made at home, I make sure I don't miss this. So that's the taste of this. So you can try this and let me know your comments. So if you have liked the video, please hit that big like button. Don't forget to subscribe and please do share it with your friends. So thanks all. Bye bye.